Hey guys, welcome to our DAX 40 daily chart. We're looking at yesterday's candle, the 13th of April. After testing the support level at 960, 13,960, right about there, we expect to bounce back up, and which happened. And DAX closed above its first resistance of 14,080, all right, signaling a bottom, a short-term bottom, and a move up. Okay, so that's what we saw today. We traded as high as the second resistance of 14,180 right here, this intersection, and rejected. We are back testing the 1480 support from which we broke out yesterday. The low being 14,080 exactly so far. Okay, so let's see what we are expecting for the day's range, right? So obviously the range is 14,080 to the resistance here of 14,230 for the day. Um, okay, so I don't expect DAX to go above 230 today, and for next week we are expecting a move further up, hitting these. The first resistance will be 205, around about the second one 280, and we hope the DAX to eventually move towards the 360, essentially rising above the R1 resistance. Okay, in case it cannot next week, it fails these resistances, it rejects back down, we're looking at support at 960, and we expect that to break next week in case DAX cannot get above the 360 level. All right, guys. So in case the support at 960 breaks, 3960, we're looking at a significant downside on the Dow, and the downtrend would then continue. All right, we had a bear market rally, and with a dead cat kind of bounce here, it seems, and the downturn to resume next week. Okay, so that's my analysis for the DAX 40 daily chart using the Gann angles from resistances R1 and supports S1 and S2. So good luck, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and we'll get back to you. And I hope your trades are profitable. And by the way, today being the last day of trading this week, tomorrow the Good Friday holiday. So happy Good Friday to you all.